Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making this style. If you're interested, come along and let's style this ruffle style together. So yeah, this gele I take it as a 50-50 measurement. So you make sure that your gele is divided into two equal parts. Then I'm making my base plate at the back. I made four base plates at the back, which I'm bringing to the front. Make sure you just continue the base plate you already created at the back. Make sure you just bring it to the front. And yeah, I made four base plates. You could decide to make yours two. You could go with three, but just make sure that your base plates are really firm on your model's head or your client's head. So yeah, I am taking the other side of my base plate and I am making a V at the front. So this is going to be a V-shaped Ruffles Gele. So yeah, I'm just trying to make sure that it stays firm on her head and trying to pick the gele together so I can do this. I don't know how I can explain exactly what I did here, but I just like twisted it, and this twist is what I'll be making my ruffles with. So first off, I pin this end down. So it's very important, please don't skip this part. So once you're done pinning, you start to make your ruffles. Now you just fold your gele tightly. So yeah, you're just folding your gele and making sure it's tight. That's how you make your ruffles. So just make sure your hands are really firm, like you can see I'm doing here. I'm just trying to like fold something. So even if you don't know how to tie gele, you definitely can do this. Just try to fold your ends and make sure that your grip on the gele is really firm. It is really important for your grip to be firm so your ruffles can stay secured even when you are done pinning the gele. So yeah, I'm just trying to squeeze well and making sure that my ruffles are standing well on her head. So once you're done folding, you just come and you pin it down. So it's very important to pin down the second time, but before pinning, make sure that your gele stands firm. So guys, this is the second side of the ruffles. So remember, you first pin down firmly. You have to make sure that you pin down this flap of your gele really firmly. Then you now come with the squeezing. Please squeeze your gele really tightly so you can have a firmly secured gele at the end of the day. As soon as I'm done pinning, I just take the both ruffles, the both sides, and I bring them together at the middle. and I pinned them together, and that has brought us to the end of this very beautiful gele. If it's something that you like, you definitely can try, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be seeing content like this. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.